Number 3, the virtual house tour with the seller.
You've got to try to help them and maybe prod them a little bit because they may not want to show you everything, okay? Because they may not have the whole house perfect and ready and clean, but you want to be as thorough as possible, see every room in as good lighting and as much detail as possible. Now, if there's people in rooms and they can't show you certain rooms, they can show it later. They could send you a video of it. That's acceptable as well, but see as much as you can on this house tour. During the house tour, say plenty of compliments. Remember, you're still building rapport. And what do we want to take notes on when we do the house tour, honey?
F&F.
Features and fixes. That's right. That will help you when you're writing your Zillow ad later, the features. And fixes, you can actually ask them to do some little fixes around the house that might make it easier for you. All right, so let's go ahead and go on a house tour. Why don't you take me on a trip, okay?
All right.
All right.
Here we go. Okay, so here is our gorgeous front entry door, the nice wood with the glass pane. And then here we have a really beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
And then look at this. Is that a beautiful chandelier or what?
Yes, that's great.
There's our puppy.
Hey.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.